Hello friends and welcome, and in this video I will show you how we can go ahead and add vendors and clients to your I.D.M.A.S database. Click on vendors and clients. Once you click on vendors and clients, you will see a window like this which says add vendor, and on the right hand side it says add client. Right now, if you want to go to the client section, you need to check this box which says add client. We will go to that in just a bit. So let's complete the vendor section first. So adding a vendor is very simple. Keep it as active, then write the vendor name. So again, I will put a very simple name, vendor 1, and we will just select the industry of this vendor. Is it a banking vendor? Is it a catering? Is it an engineering service that this vendor is offering you? And so on, taxation, whichever is applicable. And in case if you don't see the relevant business nature for this vendor, you can go ahead and click on this to add it. So I will just go ahead and add others, something which says others, other services. Other services, you can go ahead and customize it to whatever you require. Click on add record. Once you click on add record, the record is added and it says other services field is now added. You can now select from drop down. Click on OK. Go ahead and select from the drop down which says other services. If you want to go ahead and add the phone number, please go ahead and add the phone number, but right now I won't add any other information because this is just a dummy entry. Whatever is in red, that is very important, that needs to be updated at least. Once you have done whatever is needed, go ahead and click on the plus sign which says add vendor. Click on plus, and the vendor record gets updated and it says vendor record updated. Click OK. Now let us go ahead and add one more vendor. So the name of this vendor is vendor 2. Again, I will just keep it to banking for now and go ahead and click on this which says add vendor. The vendor record again updated. The vendor list also shows over here. Now let me go ahead and add one more, vendor 3. There is no limit to the number of vendors you can add n number of vendors. The vendor is already added. Similarly, now we will go on to the right hand side and we will click on client details. Once you click on client details, all the section on the left hand side become grayed out. You won't be able to do them, but yes, on the right hand side, whatever is there, those are the options you can select. Right now it shows status as active. Let me add a client 1. I will keep this client as banking for now. Go ahead and click on plus. Once it is added, it says the client record updated. Click OK. Similarly, let me go ahead and add a couple of more clients. Fine, so I have added client 3 also. If you want, you can scroll down to the right hand side, you will see whatever details have been updated. Again, as usual, you can go ahead and click on this and edit the vendor. Whatever information you want to go ahead and edit, you can go ahead and edit it. Now, since the data is created, you can go back and click on the return button and you come back to the main menu. In the next video, we will go ahead and talk about how you can add payments that you receive from your clients.